Hi, today I'm making my potato salad. And basically, the way that I do my potato salad is that I have 5 or 6 small potatoes, 2 eggs. In this case, I boil them together. I put a teaspoon to a tablespoon of salt in the water so that it will season the potatoes throughout. And once those potatoes are done, I set them aside and let them cool before I chop them. And then I get my other ingredients, which are Laurie's ingredients. I like Laurie's garlic powder, dill relish, Laurie's seasoned salt, and black pepper. And basically, I've chopped my potatoes. I've added my seasoned garlic powder. I then add a 1/4 cup of dill pickles, not tomatoes, and then the onions. I then season my potato salad with Lawry seasoned salt. I add my pepper. And then I add mayo, but I add it to taste. So I don't exactly know how much I use. You could start with maybe a 1/2 cup and then mix it to see what the consistency is. And so basically this is what it looks like. I'm going to spoon that into a dish, as you can see here, and let it chill for at least an hour before serving.